I literally saw it this morning. I couldn't believe it.
But take me through your story. I'm sorry, man.
No, you're good.
About
anyway,
mosquito nets.
Long story short, I rescued this baby monkey. Turns out, and monkeys do this, his mother abandoned him because he had a heart murmur, like a bad heart condition. So he got dumped in the field, right? Because they do that then they can have another baby, and it takes a long time to raise the baby, blah, blah, blah. So I scoop up this little monkey named Chippy and bottle feed him till his eyes open, the whole thing. And he ends up growing up, and he's my bunk bed mate. So he'd sleep on top of my mosquito net. You know how there's like a round coil and it comes down on a mosquito net? He'd sleep up there. And every morning as I get out of bed, he'd jump down off of that onto my shoulder. We'd go down to breakfast, and then he'd scamper off into the trees. And like, you know, that's a good depiction of like how I grew up wild-wise.